Hi, I'm Gary. Safety is always a focus to me. I understand that different drivers has different needs when it comes to in-car cameras. For the past 13 years, I believe BlackVue has bridged that gap well. I'm happy to introduce you the DR900X PLUS series, our flagship model for year 2022. The DR900X PLUS series is an important product for us and drivers in the upcoming years. We also highly prioritize its integration with electric vehicles, as shown by our work with commercial fleets and private vehicles.
Getting the BlackVue on my Tesla is easy because I have been using BlackVue for the past 4 cars. So I know exactly where to get it and I know exactly who to get to install it. So all painless and easily done. Like any insurance policy, right? You never know when you need it, but when you need it, you need to have it. You want a good quality car camera that is high resolution, able to record clearly day and night. So that's what I'm looking for and that's what I use it for.
Like what our customers say, the DR900X PLUS series comes with higher performance. It is also more user-friendly, reliable, and caters to every individual's lifestyle to a new level.
I mostly use my camera when I was on the road. It helps me to track all the live footages. In case of an accident, I can use it to justify for the cost. The parking, it will inform us that there is an impact during parking. So we do a check, perhaps against any of the vandalism or any impact by other cars.
In 2017, I got into my first hit and run actually right outside my house. So my car was parked outside and then somebody went past and hit the bumper. So got quite a bit of scratches. So thankfully with the BlackVue, I managed to get the part number plate and everything. Got the traffic police down and managed to claim everything. So it's quite easy and quite smooth process because of the camera that was there.
Smart, reliable, and connected. BlackVue is not just a normal dash cam. It connects you and your car anytime, anywhere.